Okay, so welcome back. Welcome back to the second session for today. So, so far we have understood how the candles are formed, how each candle have to be interpreted as a war between bulls and bears. Now we go, so we have gone to a base, एक foundation बन गया है हमारा. Now we have understood this far. Now we take it to the next level of understanding. Now we are going to now I am going to tell a secret which if you understand, practice and observe, then it will be very easy for you to make money in stock market in short term. You have to go and practice. That is point number one. What I am going to tell you may or may not occur every time. Okay. And you have to wait for the opportunity. You have to track some stocks and all. Sounds difficult, but as I told you, I was a professional working 20 hours or 24 hours. When I was working, still I was learning. I went and found a lot of stocks. Mehnat hai, lot of effort is there, but you have to do it. There is no other way because we are in a jungle, and in jungle, no animal takes a leave. Ki, nahi, nahi, today is Saturday, Sunday. Please don't kill me today. Or today is Saturday, Sunday. I'll not go for a kill. Nothing like that happens. So I told very clear it's a jungle. You cannot have no. I have too much work. Yes, you have to learn. Everyone okay with these two statements? There is no holiday in stock market when we are learning. Of course, once we learn, there is a holiday and holiday. Like I'm retired for last 7 years. But till you learn, there is no holiday. That is point number one. Point number two is you have to wait for the opportunity. How many of you have seen Discovery Channel? How many of you see the National Geographic Discovery Channel or some wildlife uh, videos and all? Can I have yes if you see that? Used to see, have seen, correct? कभी तो देखा है, बचपन में देखा होगा, अभी देखा होगा. See, and you must have seen when the lioness attacks a deer or lion attacks a deer, it will not attack every deer. Whichever deer comes, it will attack. Whichever deer it will come, it will not attack. It will wait for the opportunity. It will wait for the deer which seems to be the weakest, which seems to be the appropriate, which seems to be killable, and then it will go and attack and kill. How many of you agree that it will three-step process? First of all, it will monitor. There are lots of deer or whatever you can say, bisons or everything. They will observe. Then they will shortlist and then they will kill. So this is a three-step process in jungle. How many of you agree? They correct? Yes, no? Same way in stock market, you cannot go and trade everything. Oh, this looks like that. No, you have to wait. You have to first learn for the setup. You have to wait for the setup. Patiently, you have to wait. You have 4,000 stocks in front of you. You cannot go and trade in every stock. We don't have that much money. So you have to wait for the setup patiently, identify the setup patiently, and then take the trade. Most of the time you will be successful. Right? Lion or lioness is also not successful every time in killing. They are successful sometimes. They are failed and sometime. But when they fail, they will not say, "Oh, I failed today. What is the use of living here in this world? I'm not going tomorrow and I'm not doing any hunting tomorrow." No, they know they have to hunt. They have to hunt. They have to keep searching. Same process. We are in this jungle. We have to do the same process of hunting. So we have to find the setup. Having said all this, now I want you to understand the secret what I am going to teach you. Okay, I have removed all the noise before. Huh? Third, observe, shortlist, and attack. So observing shortlisting is still useless if you don't attack. So we have to attack and make a killing. Now, when I stressed in the beginning body and body and the wick, now we go to the body. Body, okay. This is the green body. This is a green body, and this is also a green body. So when we look at this, we see, observe that the body, this candle body is bigger than this candle body, and this candle body is smaller than the previous two. This is from our observation. Wait, I have to record. I have started the recording. Okay. Now, can you see this difference of the body? This is the body, this is the body, this is the body. Okay. Now, I want you to pay very, very close attention, okay, and understand with all your energy, complete positive energy. You have to understand what I'm trying to explain. This will earn you lots of money. Okay, this thing will make you earn lots of money if you even if you understand this much in this day. Now, this green body, let's assume, write down the green body and the volume. Green body reflects the participation of the bulls. Here, the participation, the gray tower below for 8th September, and this body is the participation by bulls on 8th September. So now we are correlating volume with the body only. I'm not talking about the wicks right now. I'm only talking about the body, how you have to correlate. And this is a secret. This body is the participation by bulls. If this body is for 9th September, this green body is participation by bulls because it is green. That's why I'm saying it was a participation by bulls. Bulls took it and closed it up. And this is a body which reflects the participation by bulls. I have repeated the same thing 3 times. Now, tell me one thing logically. Okay. Are you getting some disturbing noise or it is okay? It is only for me. It's okay, right? Okay. I think they are doing some fire drill testing. So it's a shared office. So I don't know. They are doing so much testing. So I cannot stop them also. Okay. So imagine this thing. If there are 1,000 people clapping, okay, the sound will be there. In the same location, if 2,000 people are clapping, will the sound will be more or less? More, right? Logical. If there are 3,000 people clapping at the same place, will the sound will be more than 2,000 or less than 2,000? Noise, right? Noise, triple. It will become triple. Now, hold on to the same logic. The body of this candle and volume should be proportionate. See, if the body is bigger and volume, now we are talking relative. अब हम कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं दो कैंडल्स के बीच में, एक तुलनात्मक विषय है. सो तुलना कर रहे हैं दो कैंडल्स के बीच में. So if we see the two candles, this body and the volume below, volume bar only, judge. Okay, I'm not talking about the quantity, just judge the volume. this body and this volume, since the volume has increased for 9th of September, 9th of September का volume बढ़ गया है, तो body का size भी बढ़ गया है यहाँ पे. The size of the body has also increased relatively. So this is the body, this is the volume, this is the body, this is the volume. Volume has gone up, body size has gone up. Relate it with clapping. The more number of people clapping, the body size increased. So far, so good? Yes, no? Are you with me? Number of participants increased, so the body size increased. We come to 12th of September. We come to 12th of September. Now see, can you see the volume is highest among the three? If you see these three candles relatively, then the volume of 12th September is the highest. Agreed? But the body is smallest. Body is the smallest among the three. This, in our clapping terminology, what we understood, what we took the example, this is a anomaly. This is something wrong is there. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. देखो, people have increased to clap, but the sound is not there. Then how many of you think that there is no noise? The people are there, more volumes are there, but the body has gone down. Do you think something is wrong? How many of you will think something is wrong? Agreed? Plus, second thing is, ठीक है, volume बढ़ गया, body छोटी है. Then you see at the higher wick. Higher wick is longer. That means, as now again I am talking relatively. The upper wick here is smaller. Upper wick here is relatively smaller, but if you see the upper wick here, the upper wick is longer. The upper wick is longer, so bears were more eager to sell here. Okay, so you have to observe two things relatively. तुलनात्मक विश्लेषण है ये. Okay, we are doing a relative analysis to find anomaly, so that we are aware that something is wrong, something might change. Why we are trying to find that? Because we are trying to find an anomaly for a direction change. Let's say why we are trying to do that. Let's say if I bought a share here, I would like to know when to exit. Someone will not come phone me and tell me, boss, exit maar do. I have not booked someone as a call, someone who gives me a call, कि आप trade कर लो, ये कर लो. I am doing on my own. So he's my friend. Chart is my friend. Chart will tell me when the anomaly develops. How it will develop? Now I have to do relative analysis. When the price is going up, the first symptoms of price slowing down will come like this. Body size versus volume will not match. The body size is smaller, volume is higher, anomaly. Fine? Everyone okay? कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Okay, everyone okay? Yes, no? I gave you the clapping example. Remember the clapping example. More number of people, more sound you should get. But here the volume is higher. The number of people are more, number of shares are more, but the body size is less. One anomaly. Second anomaly, the wick size is gradually increasing every day. That means the bears are pushing down. After a certain point, they are pushing down, and on this day, the wick grew longer. So this is a alert sign. If you're holding a stock and if you're holding for a shorter duration, you should get ready that there is a likelihood that it might go down, which actually happened the next day. If you see the next day, what happened was, see the price started, the red candle formed and then it gapped down and it started going down. So by knowing the anomaly, you can judge. Now again, let's see the anomaly. This candle and this candle. Visually, this size and this size are almost same. Can I say this red candle and this red candle size is same? Body size, sorry. The red candle body size and red candle body size is same. Is the volume same for both the days? No. See, volume has gone almost double for clapping, but sound is not increased. Sound is same. Some anomaly, some difficulty. It might turn back. See, the green candle and then it started turning. Now someone will ask you, what is happening here? I told earlier also, I am not teaching for each day. I am teaching you how to find a good point to attack. See, we have to search good points. See, this is a classical case which will keep on happening, but not every day. We are not catching each and every deer, whichever is crossing. As a lion or lioness, we are looking out for that secrets within the movement and attacking on that for taking advantage. Fine, everyone okay? So far, so good. See here, if you see, this will keep on happening, If I see when the price is going down, when do you start judging that, okay, the price, the bottom has come? See, the first thing as a buyer, we are always curious, has the bottom reached? Has it gone enough? Correct? How many of you have that question? You see in the WhatsApp groups, they will tell the WhatsApp groups, it will be discussed, has the bottom come? Has the bottom come? Should I buy now? Should I buy now? Don't ask on the WhatsApp, just see on the chart. The chart is telling you, has the bottom come or not? See, it is going down, down, down. See here, this is the candle body and next candle body. Now it is going down. The volume has increased. Yes, there is a chance that it will turn around. Don't go and buy. See, first you have to get alerted. First you have to identify, get alerted, then attack on confirmation. So there is a chance of it going down, but it went down yesterday. Again, a big body and a small body with a higher volume. Now, if you see, what is the difference between this and this candle? What is the difference between this 14th June candle and 17th June candle? Both bodies are small. Volumes are higher relatively with the previous candle, but what is the difference between the two? This is the 17th June candle and this is the 14th June candle. क्या difference है? नहीं, upper wick and lower wick तो है Mayank, but what is the difference between these two candles? Both have wicks, upper wick, lower wick. 17th bulls are correct. On 14th, the bulls did not push much the price up. It closed almost here. On 17th, it went down. Okay, I'll move a little bit. It went down. Bulls pushed it. So bulls are more eager to push it up on 17th than 14th, which will be indicating from the lower wick and a higher volume. So if you see a lower wick and relatively higher volume with the previous candles, then bulls are pushing. We are almost reaching to the bottom. Here is where you can plan to take a trade. You can trade above the here, and you can keep a stop loss below the lower wick. If it goes further down, you exit, then again wait for the chance. But if you want to buy based on this simple body volume analysis and longer wick, you can take a trade here, wait for it to go up. If it goes down, it's a probability game. If it goes down, let it go, exit and come out. So far, so good. Everyone clear? How many of you are clear? Can I have yes? Yes? See, same thing is happening here. The green candle, volume. Okay. This candle is having a higher volume than this. See this, how much roughly, if you can see by eye, if it is going up, when it is going up, you have to decide, okay, I want to exit. If you have bought somewhere here, if it is going up and up, how do you become alert that, okay, it is likely that it will not go up, but there is a possibility of it is going down. So better be cautious and exit for a week. If anything weakness comes, I have to exit. How many of you can see here? Let me cut it so that the vision is pretty clear. See, roughly this candle body and this candle body. So 31st May body, green body, and 30th May green body. If you compare with the volume, which volume is higher, 31st May or 30th May? 31st or 31st, which volume is higher? 31st is higher. Correct, everyone? Okay, Mayank, roughly, I'm not saying to do exact calculation, roughly, visually, as you can see visually, how many times the volume of 31st will be greater than the 30th? How many times? 3 times. MD said 3 times. Yes. Everyone agrees. It looks 3 times. Correct? 3 times. Okay. Ye ho gaya. Now, if I come to this day, 27th May. 27th May volume and 31st May volume, which is higher? 27th May and 30th. This is 27th May and 31st May, which is higher? 31st is higher. है ना? How many times it is higher?
Almost 2 times.
Almost 2 to 3 times, correct? है ना? But when I'm observing, is the body 2 to 3 times bigger than these two bodies? Volume is 2 to 3 times, but the body is not bigger 2 to 3 times, correct? Correct, everyone okay? Everyone with me? Yes, no? Yes.
Yes.
So remember the analogy of clapping. The number of people clapping has increased, the volume has increased, but the sound is not coming that much. That means, what does it mean? कुछ तो लोचा है, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है बॉस, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, correct? Get alerted. If you start seeing these anomalies, get alerted that if you are to exit.
One more observation. One more observation.
Yeah.
See, the upper week also is more in this on 31st.
Definitely.
So that means on the higher side, someone is selling.
Someone is selling.
And the volume is increased. Volume also is increased. And upper week is also more.
Correct.
Compared to all other candles. That is also one indication.
Absolutely right. So upper wick is also small. Plus someone is not dumping the stock ekdam se. Someone is slowly handing it over to the retail investor. Dhire, 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 dhire. Because see, what happens is retail investor will jump in. See, it is gapping up. Gapping up in stock market is considered to very good. 3 days it gapped up, very bullish. Wow, what is happening? The stock has gone up by kitna percent ho gaya? From here, if you see, it has gone up by 4%, 4%. Stock is 8% up. All common investors will get, and they will start jumping in. Someone is giving them stocks, handing them over the stocks. So the bulls who were bulls here suddenly become bear here, and they don't push it, but they quietly hand over. So that's why what happens is the body size will not become bigger, but the volumes will become bigger. As a common investor, if you see this phenomena, should we exit immediately? No, we should wait patiently. क्या हो रहा हो सकता है it will go up, but at least one thing which everyone should learn from here, to get alerted if such anomaly is observed in the stock you're holding. At least we should get alert. Yes? Yes, no?
Yes.
है and you get alert, and then you can take appropriate action. Maybe you can exit below the low. So next day, if it is going below, closing below the low, okay, exit, and then wait for the next opportunity. Wait, let it go down. Okay, second day, third day, it is moving sideways. Now again, we have a upper wick with a big body. Okay, it went sideways. There is a possibility it might go up. Should I jump in? No, because the volumes, this is not clear cut, because very good indications come when it goes down and the so-called last of the candles show such phenomena, then it is good. These are good to get alert. I don't enter here. It is better to wait for a breakout on the top, because already we have gone up. This is going sideways. It is always better to wait here and ride the wave, ride the breakout, wait here. Now you might be getting confused. Don't get confused much. Gradually, as you will practice, you will get it. But at least now again, see, this doji star has appeared. Volume is higher, but the lower wick is lesser. So we will get alerted that okay, it is falling. It is likely to go up. Now, second thing is, I will see in few past, has it gone up from this location? So what I will draw is, I will draw a line here. I'll draw a line here. And see, in past, has it gone up from this location? Because it is giving me some indication that, see, the body is less, volume is more. So someone is buying here. So as soon as if the red candle going down, red candle, volume is higher, someone is buying. Let's see in past if someone has bought at this level. Okay. Looks like they have bought in the past. In the year 2021, there was some buying here, but not exactly here, but some buying here. Okay. So I get alerted. Okay, this is good setup, good indication. I can buy. What I can do is, one is wait patiently for it to start going up. Second is I can buy, and as a stop loss just below the wick. Depending on strategy, we are not discussing the strategy. I'm just giving the ideas for those who are trading. I'm just giving the idea. Those who are very new, don't worry. We will be covering the strategies in one of our webinars very soon. So you can buy here, stop loss is this, or you can wait. In this case, it went down. Okay, again went down. Again, this is a small body with lower wick. So if you were in the trade, you would buy here, exit here, finish. It isn't the long top wick showing a bear pressure there, correct. So bull pressure, right? So it is better always to wait for a candle with a lower wick, longer, and a higher volume. If it is going down, color can be green, can be red, but if the stock is falling, always it is better to wait for something like this. I'm just remove the volume. Always wait for this with a candle where the lower wick is longer, higher wick, you have a rectangle and higher wick is smaller. This is a ideal candle. So in books, it will be called as a hammer. How many of you can see this as a hammer? Are you able to see hammer picture? Yes, no? This last candle, are you able to, is it appearing like a hammer? So this means that the bears have been hammered out. आपने हथौड़ा मार के भगा दिया उनको. So bears have been hammered out by the bulls. So when the stock is falling and you see a hammer, that means the bears have been hammered out. Bears को हथौड़ा मार मार के bulls ने भगा दिया है. The books stop here only. But the secret is not only in hammer, because you will start listening in the TV channel, hammer has found, hammer has found, hammer has found. No. First, the stock has to go down. Then hammer has to form. When the hammer is forming, then volume has to be higher than the relatively previous candles. Then this is a complete hammer, which you will not get in any book, but you will get it today. And now you will never make a mistake whenever the hammer is formed. So 3 conditions. It should go down. Hammer formation volume should be greater than the adjacent volumes. Then only declare this as hammer. You can now confidently take the trade for the price to go up. Okay? Everyone okay? हाँ. So in case the rectangle is in between, हाँ, नीचे का wick, so hammer, it should look like hammer, but this all 3 conditions have to be met for this hammer. 6th November is also a hammer. Let's see, 6th November. किधर है? Oh, recently. Okay, I'll come to 6th November. 6th June. June. हाँ, correct. 6th June is a hammer, but volume. See, this is a hammer, and you will find a lot of websites buzzing कि hammer form. भाई volume तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा होने दो ना. See, this is almost equal to the other volume. Here, see this volume. Nishan, see this volume as compared to last 4-5 days, it's visual only. And this volume as compared to last 4-5 days, which is more better? Correct. So this is much better. And this is, yes, you will have hammer formed, suddenly it will be buzz. No, this stock hammer is formed. But just go and check कितना volume है पीछे थोड़ा आगे पीछे. It is okay to miss an opportunity rather than investing your money and seeing it going down. No fun in putting your money and seeing it going down.
Now, one more observation, Samir. This hammer, what you are saying now, 6th June, the body is less
That is okay.
compared to this.
That is okay. Body smaller is okay.
Yeah, body is small.
No, that is okay. See, 3 features should be predominant. One is the lower wick should be longer, like this. Upper wick should be smaller. Beach ka body ka size can be smaller. If this smaller size and higher volume, something like this, 31st May ka volume hota, and this would have formed perfect hammer. Matlab, सीधे you buy the stock, it has to go up. Fine. So body ka utna nahi, we are playing on the wicks. The lower wick is longer. The bulls are taking charge. They are fighting back. They are fighting back with volume. See, it's not only fighting back. It's about fighting back with full volume. कि पूरे जोश खरोश के साथ fight कर रहे हैं. Fine. Everyone okay? Yes. How many of you are learning? Have you learned something new today? How many of you have learned Something new, something interesting today? Can I have yes from all of you if you have learned something new or something interesting today? Something which you can go and look at in the chart and practice and practice and practice. Yes? Okay. Okay, great. Thank you. So, so this, remember, this is the first basic thing. So anyway, whenever you're looking at the candlestick chart, look for this opportunity. Look for this opportunity. If you're looking for this opportunity, you will be, and this keeps on repeating, stock after stock after stock. Give me any stock. Let's look at, say I'm taking Techem. Give me any other stock. Any stock? Anyone would like to give? SBIN. Okay, text S O SBIN. Okay. Hmm? Wait. 7th November. What has happened? 7th November. Doji star and Doji star increase. See how much high the volume is. जितना लोग तो तालियां बजा रहे हैं उतना तो बॉडी है भी नहीं. बॉडी ऐसी और धमक पूरी, तो ये तो नहीं चलेगा ना. So so this was doji. Okay, doji is okay. See, this doji has any importance? This doji has no importance for us. See, doji formation is undecided, but this doji is something which is telling us that it is something. Bears are taking charge with volume. There are a lot of people to clap, but there is no sound. See this now again, pay attention. See here, this one is having a longer wick on the top. This one is also having a longer wick on the top. This volume and this volume here, 1st of November volume, 1st of November upper wick candle and 7th of November upper wick candle. How many of you are able to relate with whatever secret I told you today? Are you able to make out the difference? Yes, no? Correct. Simple volume and correlation will make the magic. So you don't exit here. You most likely would like to exit here because volume is high, doji star hai. This doji star are faltu in between. These are to confuse you in the market. This will confuse you. So always look at the up move, doji star and exit. If there is a up move, volume, be cautious. Up move, this doji star without a volume, bekar, faltu. Okay. No, volume and body are not. Okay. I got you. Okay, great. Okay, let's see some other stock. What was the other stock next after SBN? Birla Soft. Okay. See, it gapped up, high volume. This doji is important, but the wick is not. Again, this becomes confusing. Let's see something at the top and then we'll see something at the bottom. Okay. Okay, second secret, what we can see from here is, I'll mute you all. There is some humming sound coming from background. So I'll just mute everyone. Again, unmute yourself. Huh? See, now ready for the second secret. It is going up. See, volumes are not telling me anything here. But 1, 2, 3, these 3 candles. what is forming here? Relatively, if you see the wicks here, the upper wick, what is you are observing here on the wick? Upper wick. What is your
They are
observation?
bigger.
Huh?
They are bigger.
They are bigger. So as soon, even if the volumes are not giving up, the wicks starts showing up longer and longer on the higher side consistently. That means in the language of Mayank, there is a price rejection there. So it's good word because you will learn a lot of debates if the price rejection is happening. The price rejection is that the bears are taking charge, hence the wick sizes start going up on the top, and there is a chance that it will go down. So you will see the changes in the wick consistently. If it is going sideways, wicks are higher, it is likely to go up. Same way, if at the bottom, let's see one example at the bottom where the 4 to 5 candles, the wicks become longer. Okay, here it is not there. Let's find a good example, good example, good example. Okay, I have a good example. Immediately we have in TechM only. Okay, I'll delete the line. Okay, you people can observe. This is what is happening right now. Even though the stock has not gone down, but can we see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? The lower wicks are remarkably longer here.
Yes, they are longer.
They are longer, correct? तो कुछ तो मामला है इसमें, कुछ मामला है कि बुल्स ठीक है, दे आर नॉट एक्सप्रेसिंग देमसेल्फ, दे आर नॉट कमिंग इन ओपन, बट दे आर डूइंग समथिंग, दैट्स व्हाई द विक स्टार्ट्स बिकमिंग लॉन्गर. एक हाथ लॉन्ग हो और वॉल्यूम नहीं है तो वी शुड नॉट मेक अ नोट ऑफ इट. बट the secret is if there are 4 to 5 candles happening like this and you start seeing longer wicks, so the bulls also know that you have attended the session of Samir Bapat and now you are looking for the wicks. So what they will do is they will not express themselves in one day, they might express themselves in 4 to 5 days, and you will start seeing the longer wicks at the bottom. But you are also attending Samir Bapat's course, so you also know that if it is appearing for 4 to 5 days, Mamla Gadbad hai, bulls are taking charge, they are preparing for something new. I don't know. Right now we are at 18th November. We will see how it plays out. So everyone in the call, you can see at TechM whether it has gone up or not in next coming days. Fine,
Another
everyone?
observation, another observation, Jamil, where the volume is more no, recently,
Ah,
that week, that price band where it is, lower side
ah,
is almost equal to the weeks where, 3, 4 weeks are there, no, the lower weeks.
ah,
They are
ah,
almost same. So that means what? The price at that level, someone is buying at that price.
ah. Someone is buying, or Mayank ki language mein, there is a rejection from there. So
Yeah, yes,
both are giving
lower
rejection.
side,
Okay,
yes.
we will not let it fall. So they are rejecting that price cannot go below this. So that is also called rejection.
Yes.
So tomorrow you can as well buy at this level where my mouse is, this level. When it comes to Tech Mahindra, you can take a chance. You buy here, again the rejection happens, you are already in trade, or wait for it to go up. That is how we can plan. Coming to Nishant's question, so the mantra over here is to have a proper look at the volume trend for last few days to get the feel of the average volume and compare it with the candle size and wick size and where is the wick, whether it is down or up. Fantastic. Yes, Nishant, perfect. Fine, everyone fine? Everyone okay? Everyone is comfortable with the wicks and the magic volume plays in this game? Okay, great. Hindalco. Okay, so we'll take one last Hindalco and then we will move forward. We are short of time. We are almost 12:30. See, it went up, and yes, this is hammer, but it should have been with a greater volume. It is going down. I don't know. Maybe if this wick becomes longer, see, this is a gap. I'll come to gap theory maybe sometime later. But this gap, just have a look at it. This I have drawn this line. This is the gap. See, can you see the gap here between this high and this low? There's a gap. It's not the price movement there, but there is a gap. So these gaps are also where it stops the price to go down. If it is coming here, okay, we are not as per our this thing, but it might stop here. If it starts stopping here and the lower wicks are bigger, then and volume starts going higher, you can assume. If it is not stopping here, it is going down, then you wait for whenever it is the lower wick starts getting up and volume goes up. See here also, see here also you can see same thing repeat. It is going down. This is the hammer formation with relatively higher volume in last 4-5 days. Hammer formation, it goes up. You can take a trade, you would have exited here, trade again. See, lion or lioness does not feel bad if they attack on someone. See, you see National Geographic and all. If a lion or a lioness attacks on a deer and the deer escapes, will they feel bad? Oh, I attacked with so much preparation. And let's say if you saw the hammer you bought here, it went down. Don't get disappointed. Still your analysis will see what is happening the next day. If it is going up, again ride the wave or let it go. Correct? So just whenever you are in stock market, remember you are in jungle and there is nothing ego in that. We are all trading based on the setups. If the setup is there, attack. If setup fails sometimes, it is okay. Remember the lion or lioness, they will never feel bad. Again, they will ride the wave. So don't let go. If you see, okay, this was good, maybe some anomaly. If it starts going, ride again and earn money. Don't miss the opportunity to earn money. Someone says, oh, I was looking at this, I knew this was going to go up and I did not earn money. Sorry, boss. No one is listening. कोई ये नहीं कह सकता कि नहीं नहीं मेरे को पता था, उस दिन मैंने पढ़ा था, मैं देखा था, वो नीचे गया, देखो मैंने बोला था, मैंने व्हाट्सएप पे डाला था, सोशल मीडिया पे डाला था, बट मैंने ट्रेड करके पैसा नहीं कमाया. यूजलेस. जैसे मास्टर कार्ड का ऐड है ना, प्राइसलेस, वैसे इट्स अ यूजलेस. So do the analysis. Once you feel confident, even if it goes down for wrong for one day, don't let it go. Ride the wave. Initially, you will have some losses. Go with 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees. It's not important whether you are earning 10 rupees, 20 rupees. It is important that you identify the setup consistently and you have to become profitable consistently. Then put 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore. But before that, you should, out of 30 trades, you have to become profitable at least in 20 to 25 trades before you increase your amount. So start with 1,000, be profitable in 20 trades out of 30 trades, then increase the money to 2,000. Okay. Like that, you have to increase. Everyone understood how you have to increase the position sizing. Don't just because you have, I have given you the secret is one thing, psychology is another thing. There is a big role of psychology. So can I have yes from all of you that tomorrow you'll not take out all your PF money, you will not sell your home, house, all your clothes, furniture and put whenever this setup comes? No one will trade like that. You will wait for the trade. You will trade only with 1,000 rupees. You will be successful for 20 times out of 30 times. Be confident, then make 1,000 to 10,000. Again, be successful for 20 trades out of 30 trades. Then put 1 lakh, then 1 crore, then 10 crore. Okay. Step it up gradually with more success rate. Can I have an agreement from all of you? By typing A, yes, something, gradually and systematically, gradually by increasing the confidence. In stock market, confidence is of utmost importance. Perseverance and confidence. Bus. Strategies. There are thousands of strategies in market. Everything works. You touch any strategy, anyone telling you any strategy in stock market, it will work. Only thing is what is your confidence and what is your perseverance on that. You have to, Nishant, you will have to go through, initially you will have to go through a lot of scripts and do some analysis. Every script is good. And if you are talking about future and options, go with the most liquid FNOs, most liquid future and options. Those are best for trading, short-term trading. Okay, so we have done this. This is okay. I want everyone to take a sip of water. I'll also take a sip of water and then we go to our next lesson, next secret. No indicator, man. No indicator to catch this. You might have to code it if you have data or charting is there. I normally use charting. So this is the charting, good tool. This is charting. Mayank asked question, anything to code? You can code it. The engineers who know coding, it's a simple language. I am not a software engineer. I was a program manager in telecom. I don't know how to code, but ठीक है थोड़ा बहुत हल्का फुल्का अपन कर सकते हैं इसमें. So you can just have a look at this site. You can code. I think the subscription is also not very costly. I think maybe some, I don't know, some 9,000 rupees a year, something like that. So you can program it and take the filtrations. If you don't know programming, ping me. I'll help you in that. बहुत simple programming है. Even I am not a programmer, but we can do it. Yeah. Gopalakrishnan, you can do a lot of permutation combination. Only thing is you have to wait patiently. Even you can use in intraday also. Like if I go down to 15 minutes, same thing happens. See, like I told earlier also, nothing new is happening in the stock market. Everything happens at the same, see, everything in daily, weekly, hourly, intraday, everything is happening in the same way. If it is going up, you have a candle, volume is higher, upper wick is higher, there is a possibility of it going down. Simple. This is 15 minutes candle. We are talking on the daily candle. Even if we talk on the weekly candle, same thing happening. Those people don't want to trade for 2 to 3 days. Look at the weekly. See, this weekly lower wick is there, volume is higher, utha lo. If it is going down, lower wick is there. See, hammer color is not important red. This is weekly. Hammer formation, utha lo. Let it go. Weekly. Monthly, same thing will happen. See, there is nothing new in stock market which happens like the jungle. There is nothing new which is happening there. Same morning, same evening, same pattern, same killing. Only person who are able to find good kills and keep on doing it will be successful. Others will. Okay, so can we move forward? Can we go ahead to our next topic? Can I have yes from all of you if you are with me, and we can move to the next topic? Okay. Now, next topic is the patterns, reversal patterns. Okay. So now, like we are only focusing on one candle and relative comparison. Now we'll focus on two candles. So first, I will take three commonly occurring patterns. You can practice. We are already at 1 o'clock, so I'll quickly take three commonly occurring patterns, and then you can practice. Additional strategies and all I'll take in next webinar. How many of you are in my financial fitness group? You already are in the financial fitness group? Yes, no? Everyone is there? No, okay. So Dipesh, you have my mobile number. It must have come in the that link where you registered. No, there is at the bottom my mobile number is there. Send me a message. I'll send you the link for the group because I keep whatever webinar I'm doing. I keep posting on that whenever it is happening. So if you don't want to miss the next webinar, you can post. Just send me a message. I'll send you the link for the group. So all those people who are typing no here for their understanding, I'll just put my number here. Send me a WhatsApp message. This is my mobile number here 9880700477. This is my mobile number. Send me a WhatsApp message to add in the group. I'll send you the link to join the group so that you don't miss any future webinars. So I'll be posting on those webinars. You'll be able to get the links to register for those webinars. I'll pause for a minute. You can note down the number mentioned here and then we'll proceed. So Hitesh, Dipesh, Prabhakar, you can note down the number and anyone who is not there on the group. Okay, so let's move forward. I hope you have noted down the number or taken the snapshot. So let's move ahead. Now we are understanding one is we understood the movement of the candle. Now, see what we are trying to do is to understand कि चल क्या रहा है market में. What is happening? कोई मतलब bulls or bears कर क्या रहे हैं? And the only way we can know is through charts, through this picture. So taking the same idea further, there are some combinations which you see, you should get ready. One is called bullish engulfing. Bullish engulfing. So everyone understands the word engulfing. It's like someone is covering, right? Engulf. So whenever you see this combo, you have a candle here and next candle, ideally the body is almost covering the first body. So the first body, first candle is red, second candle is green. And whenever it happens, we have to use it? No. First, the prices are going down, 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 down. We have this candle. Then the next candle is engulfing it completely. See, you can see this candle covering the wicks also, or only the body covering the wicks best. Jitna engulf ho jaye, the more it engulfs, the better it is. If it engulfs the body, still good. If it engulfs the entire thing, covers everything, better. So it's a bullish engulfing. The more the better. But also the key point here is the volume. When it is coming down, this pattern you will see lot of places, but we should be taking trade where the volume of this candle is relatively higher than the previous one. And this volume, candle of this volume is also decent, if not higher than the red one, but the green candle volume should be decent. ऐसा ना हो कि it is only 1/5 or 1/6 of the red candle. Then it's a false signal. Someone is trapping you. So it's a trap created by the market maker. So you have to see this and you should not get trapped. Now let's see the practical example. Oh, bullish engulfing, we have to see at the bottom. No, this is not a very good example, but we will be taking, this is piercing pattern. So I will teach this since we have this example of piercing pattern. Let me find some bullish engulfing pattern here. There are four patterns which we are going to learn, and mostly those four patterns will only be forming at the bottom. So if it is going down, okay, let's find something with a lower way. Um, Let me take some Infosys. We have okay, okay. Fortunately, I got. Okay, I'm showing for the sake of example. Okay, now I will tell you the ideal scenario, but this is also okay scenario. This is not an ideal scenario since I'm not able to find anything, or let me search a little more than video. All I'm finding is evening stars only. Okay. No. Someone give me some stock. Maybe I'm not lucky. Someone give me a
HDFC
stock where
Bank,
I'll find this. Huh?
HDFC Bank, HDFC Bank, HDFC Bank,
A-
HDFC
HDFC Bank. Huh? Okay.
Bank.
Tata Motors.
Okay. Let's see HDFC Bank and then wow. Badhiya. See, this is how it should look. This is a bullish engulfing. Okay, the price first requirement, the trend should go down. Second requirement, a smaller candle. Third requirement, a bigger candle. More powerful. So everyone got this. This is the bullish engulfing. This is the book, what they define in the book without the volumes. Okay, so this is the bullish engulfing defined in the books. There is a downtrend, there is a candle, the wick, and the body is engulfed by the green candle. This is a bullish engulfing. And whenever you see this combination, there is a possibility that price will go up. So everyone clear about the bullish engulfing, how it looks? Yes, no? Correct? Ideally, because we have learned about the volume and the sizes, here it is not appearing that very easily. But the volume, if the volume of this candle is little more higher, if the volume was little more higher and this engulfing form, okay, this volume 29 September, if it was little more higher, it will give you more confidence that okay, volume wise it has stopped going down, something kuch gadbad hai volume and size wise, and then you have bullish engulfing. This is confirmation that it is likely to go up. Here also it went up, but I'm telling you a better options. Like if you want more confirmations, this is a confirmation, let it come down. This volume should be relatively higher to 5 days, lower wick should be bigger, and you have bullish engulfing, it will go up with speed.
Just see Samir ahead. Now recent. Go ahead. Recent one.
Okay, let me go to the recent one.
See here.
But there is no
Yeah,
downtrend
there is
actually.
no downtrend is not there, but the volume, see how the volume
Volume,
was there.
yes. Yes, but that is on
Fantastic
this
volume.
candle. That is on this
And this
candle.
again the next day, like, how much it has gone down.
Correct, correct.
And still it is in bull page.
But it is now slowing down. See, now
Yeah,
you will
slowing down.
see this wick. So there is a down wick also. There is a upper wick also. Correct.
Yeah, yeah.
Now we are
Correct.
in a confusion state. Like if someone asked me कि अभी इसको क्या judgment करें, correct. Now
Hmm.
one question will come since we learned today and then we go to Infosys and see यार ये upper wick भी form हो रहा है and these two candles are doing lower wick also. Correct. Everyone agrees.
Yeah.
This is a confusion state. Lower wick भी बड़ा है, upper wick भी बड़ा है. So what we do nothing. We
Yeah,
wait
but
outside the
accord,
box.
according to me, this is in consolidation phase now.
So
It
what
has to
we
go
do
up.
is
Consolidation. Sorry?
consolidate. So we don't take a trade in this box. We wait
Yeah, correct.
outside this
Correct.
box. So we draw this box and
Correct.
like a lion or a lioness, we wait for
Correct.
the market to decide where it wants to go because it is creating confusion for me. It is having higher wick and lower wick also. I will create a box. If it goes above this, I buy. If it goes below this, I sell. Chit bhi meri, pat bhi meri. Correct? Everyone okay? Nitin, like he correctly described, this is a consolidation. We are confused. If you are confused, draw a box higher and lower, wait outside that box. Even sometime it may happen that it will go out of the box and come down. It is okay, it is fine. The trades fail. Stop loss can be this, but the money should be less because we are very confused. So if we enter here, stop loss should be this. If we are selling here, stop loss should be this. Okay, so bullish engulfing is done. Let's see for the piercing pattern. Piercing pattern. Okay, let me go back to which was the Birla Soft. Na? I was showing. Okay, Birla Soft, Birla Soft, Birla Soft. Now I will not see examples in this also. Same way, bearish engulfing also happens. Okay, now you see, this is the bearish engulfing. This one is much better bearish engulfing as a picture. As a picture, it is a good bearish engulfing. When the price has gone up, this entire green candle is engulfed by the red candle, then it is likely to fall. Again, or let me with volume. Someone help me with some good example. Looks like I am not having a good day with showing examples. So I want this volume to be good. Or let's take Techem only. उधर I think था. Okay, fell from here. Okay, now okay. So here we have sort of good example. The price went up. See, this body of this candle is smaller. The volume is higher here. After that, there is a green candle. That green candle is engulfed by the red candle, and then it goes down. So you should have a small body, then engulfed by. So first is a trend, and this will reverse the trend. So these are the trend reversal patterns. Okay, so we have RPG Life Sciences. Okay, let me see. Date when you will have this bearish engulfing we are looking for, Rohit. Okay, can you give me some date where you want to show me this? 20th October. Okay. अक्टूबर 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 20 अक्टूबर ये तो हो गया. ये है बियरिश एनगल्फिंग, राइट? हाँ, ओके, करेक्ट. So it's a high volume. Yeah, see, this is one good example. This is a high volume. This engulfed the body, but look at the volume of this engulfing. 1/5. Correct? So, book, if you read the book, they will tell you this is a bearish engulfing. If you see this pattern after uptrend, then it is a bearish, but you have to see कि जो engulf कर रहा है उसका volume है कि नहीं है, कितना, how much eager they are to bearish engulf, and the volume is less, it will not go down, it will not fulfill its promise. Okay, so let's go to the next pattern, bullish pattern, and let's take to Tata Motors. Okay, next reversal pattern is the piercing pattern. Let's find some V shape. Here, this is something, this is over exaggerated picture of a piercing pattern, but here you can see this is of combination of two candles. Now this price came down, down, down. The volume is relatively higher. If it was more higher, it was very good, but it is still relatively higher. If it was at least double of this for this candle, it would have been best. Next day, what happened was the price gapped up. It might gap up till here, or it might gap up even till 50% of the red candle. Still, it is okay. And if the volume is good, this is called piercing pattern, it will go up. So it has to close here, it has to open at a higher level, form a green candle with a relatively good volume, and then it will go up. So this is a piercing pattern. Reverse is also true. So okay, I'll explain the psychology also, otherwise it will not make sense. See, what is happening here is, and why it works is this: the price closed at 372. Market closed at 330. From 372 to open at 387, 12 rupees almost, and 372 and 387, 15 rupees, almost 3% gap up. So what has happened between market close and market open? Something happened, correct? Something happened. We don't know. Let's say we are not listening to the news, we are not listening to the newspaper, we are not part of WhatsApp group and all. Still, if you want to understand this, we need not read anything. What this is telling us is, after the market close, something happened in this company, something related to this company happened, and bulls were so eager, they were waiting for the market to open. Kab open hota hai market, and when I'll start buying. As soon as the market opened, they started buying and they took it up. This is how you are doing. That's why this is a very powerful reversal pattern. So you, first of all, downtrend chahiye. Last candle should have a more decent volume. The next candle should gap up from closure, jitna upar jayega, and a decent volume. If you're having this three combination, you can take it up. And it is likely to up. You can take it up, trade, and then exit, whatever. Fine, everyone okay? Same is for piercing. Sometimes it will happen, the price is going up, and suddenly you have a downtrend. Okay, so piercing, this is bearish engulfing. Now I am able to see bearish engulfing. Now I will not see piercing. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm today my luck is running out for showing the examples. Okay, fine. So I hope you learned something new today. Everyone learned something new today, and something interesting, something which you can actually start looking and going and seeing and looking at the charts and start learning. Yes. Okay, great. So looks like today I'm not able to show much example. Sometimes the day is not so good. Sometimes it will happen. I open a chart and suddenly all the examples will come. So since I'm not getting very good examples, maybe nature is telling me stop for the day. So I hope everyone enjoyed joining today for spending 3 hours. I hope everyone's 3 hours was well spent today. We saw two. So what we will do is I will post on the group our reversal pattern. So we will go through this. I will upload the recording also on YouTube. You all can see it. Maybe next week we'll continue with the reversal patterns. I'll take you through 4 to 5 reversal patterns and the trading plan. I'll try to find out some good examples beforehand. So by this we can have a look at it. Okay. So anyone having any questions? So MS, I'm sorry. Actually, I recorded the last week's session, but somehow the recording was lost. But I'm really feeling sad because that was a very, very important session, and the recording is lost. Today I checked. We have the recording for today, so today I can upload. So I will do. So anyone having any questions, any doubts on this today's session? Any questions? Yeah, Mayank, you can apply this in options. In options, this will play wonders. This will play wonders in options. Options trading. Actually, what I told this only this much. Only this much. The volume versus candle size. If you are applying in options trading, you can do wonders in that. In options, when you are applying volume versus this, don't go for a what you say, like you should go for, if it is the stock is coming down and you see such volume and candle analysis, go for bull put spread. You go for a now I remember the word. You have to go for credit strategies. When if you're going volume versus this candle size, no, man, you should always go for credit strategies. Don't go for debit strategies. Okay. This is not for credit strategy. This is always good because if it goes sideways, still we'll earn money. Okay, so before we close, I would like a few people sharing their wow moment today. If you attended the session and you felt, wow, this was something which I learned very excellent, and this I can use immediately. So, can a few people share some wow moment they had today? Anyone would like to share their wow moment of today? One moment you thought, yes. Anyone?
Yes, that engulfing was very nice one, sir.
Okay.
It's very wonderful experience. Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you. Anyone else would like to share the wow moment?
Yes, sir. For me, the volume part, the analysis of volume with respect to the candle,
Okay.
that was good for me. A new learning.
Okay, great, great. So thanks a lot for sharing.
According to Samir, according to me, all movements are wonderful.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So great. So thank you so much for feedback, and I sincerely hope everyone enjoyed today. We will continue with this in our coming sessions, and see you all in next session. Till then, have a great time, great learning, and great earning. So see you all in next section. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.